Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast dedicated to Max Weber's bureaucracy theory. At the end of the 19th century, it was German sociologist and author of the Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, Max Weber, who was the first to use and describe the term bureaucracy. This is also known as the bureaucratic theory of management. He believed bureaucracy was the most efficient way to set up an organization, administration. Max Weber believed that bureaucracy was better than traditional structures. In a bureaucratic organization, everyone is treated equal, and the division of labor is clearly described for each employee. Bureaucracy definition. Bureaucracy is an organizational structure that is characterized by many rules, standardized processes, procedures, and requirements, number of desks, meticulous division of labor, and responsibility, clear hierarchies, and professional, almost impersonal interactions between employees. According to the bureaucratic theory of Max Weber, such a structure was indispensable in large organizations in structurally performing all tasks by a great number of employees. In addition, in a bureaucratic organization, selection and promotion only occur on the basis of technical qualifications. Max Weber's 6 characteristics of the bureaucratic theory. Task specialization. Tasks are divided into simple, routine categories on the basis of competencies and functional specializations. Every employee is responsible for what she does best and knows exactly what is expected of her. By dividing work on the basis of specialization, the organization directly benefits. Each department has specific powers. Hierarchical layers of authority. Managers are organized into hierarchical layers, where each layer of management is responsible for its staff and overall performance. In bureaucratic organizational structures, there are many hierarchical positions. This is essentially the trademark and foundation of a bureaucracy. Formal selection. All employees are selected on the basis of technical skills and competences which have been acquired through training, education, and experience. One of the basic principles is that employees are paid for their services and that level of the salary is dependent on their position. Their contract terms are determined by organizational rules and requirements, and the employee has no ownership interests in the company. Rules and requirements. Formal rules and requirements are required to ensure uniformity so that employees know exactly what is expected of them. In this sense, the rules and requirements can be considered predictable. Impersonal. Regulations and clear requirements create distant and impersonal relationships between employees, with the additional advantage of preventing nepotism or involvement from outsiders in politics. This impersonal relationship are a prominent feature of bureaucracies. Career orientation. Employees of a bureaucratic organization are selected on the basis of their expertise. This helps in the deployment of the right people in the right positions and thereby optimally utilizing human capital. In a bureaucracy, it is possible to build a career on the basis of experience and expertise. As a result, it offers lifetime employment. The right division of labor within a bureaucratic organization also allows employees to specialize themselves further so that they may become experts in their own field and significantly improve their performance. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.